The Day of the Dead, Día de los Muertos, is a vibrant and joyous celebration of life and death. Many altars decorated with photos, candles, marigolds, and the favorite foods of the departed. Parades fill the streets with colorful costumes, especially skull face paint, music, and dancing. This festive holiday blends ancient Aztec traditions with Catholic influences, celebrating death as a natural part of life with love, color, and joy. Sugar skulls, Calaveras de azúcar, are called so because they are made from sugar and shaped like skulls. They are a traditional part of Día de los Muertos, Day of the Dead, and are used to honor and remember deceased loved ones. These skulls are often brightly painted with intricate designs to represent the vitality of life, even in death. Rather than symbolizing something grim, the sugar skulls embody a playful, colorful spirit, reflecting the belief that death is not the end, but a continuation of life. By decorating them, families create a connection between the living and the dead, offering a joyful remembrance of those who have passed.